then Akufo Addo AC the same factories, and you people are not willing to even give the man a little credit. Why? Because his so-called communicators are so handicapped with information that to even give information out to people who can speak it is hard for them. Me and president no na ya shoes are asia we ya shoes are asia we na upeso uko hu pani kura na stop o upeso uko here na stop the any man say ye de ntwitwa nkrofo 19 wo president ya ye nnuma say gu ho anka ndc fo bo no mu bisa say factories no here na wa bobo amom no enum bia anye Ghana ni bia yi da bi MPP communicators nim sa ye de ane say ye didi agyaye ene ye didi agyaye ene ye didi agyaye santi dia ye nkasa onyame hwe ye ni na Akufo Addo de bone amadi no nyame be bisa mo bone communicators MPP communicators mo de di Akufo Addo no nyame be bisa mo na ye amon kan hu say Akufo Addo ntena so afibọ oluma enche bia okọ na humjiem na nya ade obe stand again enche bia oluma obekọ na humjiem o obekọ na humjiem na okọ na humjiem wi a ede na aka wachire ana mo twa ma na akọ na humjiem na ndisi fa begina aka say o kufu ayi sebe even another cry ade pa because kufuo so ade ase kufuo time ye kanya ka say kufuo akọ wa brofo ntafo ede no man kan fa kufuo ho. All because of power. NDC will fabricate every story and get shallow-minded and shallow-headed journalists to propagate that stupidity for Ghanaians to buy into it. And until you see factory, or you see a factory. I'm a real testimonial to what they call one district, one factory. And over one district, one factory policy now. They can say government in conjunction with the private sector. And until sometimes what wana NDC ni biaba and a factory no kra na ho dada and a factory we na ho dada Dako farms yesusa and yete say Dako farms wo NDC apen so how many times na ote that sebe Dako farms din talemo ma yanye honesty o. Let's be honest with the things we do. Me say NDC apen so how many times na ote Dako farms din kra say poultry farm your friend Dako farms e wo ho na afide ni na fi say egu ampa so egu ye nti se ne aban bi aba na odisika hyem na ende Dako farms asen afa nipa a omo ye Ghana fo nkola a omo ye adwuma e de enye omano aduane na market no so anya sebe ye poultry consumption so akosoro na wo ka kire me say aden wo koye Dako farms are two things. You are shallow minded and you don't understand what politics is. I always say politics is not one size fits all. There be politics is not one size fits all. E be a nima for omu hia brosan. And no nkyere se zongo junction for hia brosan. E be a sukura for hia toilet. And no nkyere se adenta zongo for hia toilet. You look at what the people need and you provide them. That is what we call prudent management and prudent government. You look at what the area needs. But se won tiasia, se won tibibiasia. In a toilet the na me we free say just some years back and just some months back na sabi mama penin what na ne dem sabi o mo fancha me mo amudi fancha me na wane agu robem na wachekere na wakoto no hyin na kwakoto obi electric pole so ade a chen ye mama dede odo na fichira na sekan wode akotwa bi mu say po asai na nim nyina. This was the situation there. Adentia ye ni portable toilet ye ni toilet ye papa nipa betumi ayusu enti papa pani pa gota no sebe no awro no to ne wo nigum na ne wira fi se gota na sebe wo nigum no ensuo betoto e ma ne de moaba na mo ya bewewe yen na yenya malaria there be enu nti sa ban bi ba no say toilet facility is serious wa. You fix toilet facility, you have solved the problem. Via me hine ahemfo no wo yo hine pa wo yo hine o sorry sa aban obesi toilet ma yen aban be ye toilet ma yen aban me ma ye toilet nana ene de aban me bo toilet ma mu toilet ya sebe encanate ne ye de o man djuma na eye toilet ya sebe ne ye de o man djuma ena na eye ye wonko ye wonsomo na we tutu abo ha ne abo toilet ba ko we kroniti ba ko we krono ha ye toko kra ye bo ma de nie emema de nie And that dear or hene to ho say President Akufo Addo enko fa so embetu toilet man no no nkrofo nkom. Yet ye koye toilet na na ebisa say toilet na ebedi ofui na nka wo ne abonten a wo ne toilet pro ayi sebe wo ne wo KLM ayi pepe mu etokone no na wo se nka toilet hu hia wa na wo de ye dede. Sam George new pharmaceutical way omoye man no wa wo ne mu nkopa adwuma wo no ho ono nko age 10% slot in the company, the pharmaceutical company no for the NDC for Sam George or J 10% slot. And this is fact. Me say pharmaceutical company na nanse ya be omo be vaccines for Ghana no. Sam George ya echoes in the constituency ya friend no Honorable Sam George Pram constituency or J 10% slot. It is a nipa no 100 ni ebe fa. Wono nko age nipa 10. So the umbe urem. No, we are Wabetnes TV. So like I said, the government is not going well. Meanwhile, your NDC government couldn't even build you a Gary processing factory. No. NDC government didn't build one factory for you people say, Monche Gary wo hona Ghana funya Garindi. Sam George Abaina won penasem, ne Akufo Addo sakawano. Papa na oye jubana so boni e woni petri mutima imagine se mubegu papa na nimu ase no oba ye so far 2 big companies here Ghana ha we will find them in Pram. One is the steel company I'm talking about. Akufo Addo ne ko bia no ma omo. One district one factory project na Samson anyi eno motena parliament ka say ye tro na enye no kore no Sam George a benefit wom into so say ye boa o megina hankan kire say ye boa Yankasa Yeman, ne ya buying in opposition. A buying be about osi factories. Memi jina hono, men pie bonus a member power. Se ampasa on my one junior na me junior. San kame wa ideas bikura. Me dema current government ne say, sa companies here mu si de, ebe boa yen. Sa company we are musi ne de, ebe boa yen ti no. Sebe yen den, yen shemu kena. Because you see factories, Sam George better na hoye de we ye no. You see factory no waje 10% slot. So what the nkrof we wurem. Waje 10% slot say or the nkrof we wurem the Amaka no Google obi de agua B5 company at Pram. Who Google ne ni ho abrebe huro mi wa ha. Maka kire say we will do only honest broadcasting. Say nipa 3 kra na be hwe yan hwe yan be ye de no kra na be ma Ghana for. Because we are tired of using propaganda to lie to Ghanaians and deceive Ghanaians, all because of vote. Sam George say ye dear Semetiano or Parliament, you can't say Supreme Court. So you better as of today, there will be no government business done. We will make sure there will be no government business done. Yeah, your government business. Now Sam George, you will free say, Sabi Pram for 2 Abama no. No, Monsieur Uncle Genome and them said they obey Numa power government in the person on Jibimbraho. Nenti mi bisa Sam George say ojina hwa okachire yen say on ankasa ne 10% slot no okonya no we. Is somebody listening? This man said he will stop every government business because the Supreme Court has voted against them. For ruling the case against NDC, he vowed on national TV and the videos are there. Said there will be no government business done in Parliament. Then I asked myself, what is government business? Roads, schools, infrastructures. Ghana force ye pay juma. Pram force ye pay juma. Omu MP say ye di asemetia no you said the Supreme Court into no ompene ma ye mfa juma ma ho. Yes, that is what that means. Nkoso na mama politicians ne na da yen. Ono eba se monto abama no obeji nyuma pa de aba ho. Aban bi say oye one district one factory. Sam George say ye di asemetia no Supreme Court into no ompene ma government business. Nkona me bi say wa wote pram say B5 ya ye be pie. O pa kire me say pram ni bi anya adwuma ho ana. Pharmaceutical company ya na say ye Akufo Addo ko bie ma omi. Are you telling me say pram ni bi anya adwuma ho ana? But your MP who you stood in line to vote for at night was willing to say, oh, my government business in cause the party for I say, Munko frustrated the system. Then Nyansa Mo who say government business is what the people need. Oma dada, yenya dada, yenya dada, yenya dada, yenya dada, yenya. And you people are still there. Me say me bagane. One more car say one district, one factory, ye trono. Me ankasa me hubi. Me nkwa akra me ba ye mi hu ye kra no me hu mu 10.